ASUS VivoBook Thin and Lightweight FHD WideView Laptop F510UA-AH55. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. I've had the VivoBook for a week. I love this machine. I have HHR combined SSD and 1TB HD. I did my research on the specs and this is the best value I could find for the money. The machine booted up Windows 10 in exactly 10 seconds. After I set up my fingerprint scan, it does the fast and easy boot up every time. I am surprised by how fast it is. So far it's completely silent. No fan noise, no HDD boot up noise, nada. I would suggest that you see the YouTube reviews of the machine. The keyboard is a bit plain and the build is plastic, but for me it is just fine. I love that I can upgrade it and both the memory and the SSD, and this will be by far the best machine I've ever owned. I am happy with this purchase, and I think you will too. Update September 21, 2018, still going strong and still think this is a great value. Little things that I didn't think about. It doesn't have a backlit keyboard. At night when I work in the dark, it would be helpful. The fingerprint sensor is iffy. I stopped using it. I think it's a driver thing, but I don't bother. The speakers are tinny and not great, but I use a Bluetooth speaker that works great with it. Looking for a solid at-home laptop that can be used for work if necessary. Saw this was Amazon's choice and popular laptop. After reading the reviews and recommendations, bought crucial 8GB single DDR4 2400 mount, PC for 19200. Dr. X 8 unbuffered SODIMM 260-pin memory, CTA-G4 SFD824A. This is a quick laptop and thankful for all the helpful recommendations. Once the computer was set up, make sure the changeover where new files were being saved. Outside of that, fantastic laptop and would recommend to others. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.